everyone. In this video, we will go through the important and unique features of MediFlux, including the common ones. So the common ones that should be in every pharmacy management system are sales, purchases, and drugs that are obviously in MediFlux too. In purchases, you can see add purchase, a purchase list. In sales, you can find add sale, sales list, and obviously in drugs you'll find drug list. And I will let you go through the other things as well. So the first important feature and very unique feature in MediFlux is we provide unlimited users. That means if you go into the settings, and here you will see user management. In user management, you can create unlimited number of users for your shop. Say you have many people in your shop who manage your pharmacy. You can add all of them, and they all of them will have their own access. You can give access based control. Like if you go to the create user tab here, you will see you can assign admin roles who can manage everything: the staff, the salesperson, the accountant, and doctor portal also. That means if you have doctors in your medical shop, you can add them too. So they can add prescriptions from here, and you will make purchases of those prescriptions in the MediFlux itself. You don't have to just manually enter those medicines. So the next feature of MediFlux is bill scanning. That's very unique one. If you go in the add purchase, see what most pharmacies go through is the time that they waste in adding purchase bills. In MediFlux, what feature we provide is if your distributor shares a PDF with you, you can just click on the scan on the top right here, and select that PDF file from your file explorer. And once you select the PDF, all the drugs will import automatically. In case the distributor does not share a PDF, you can click pictures of the paper bill and upload those pictures here, and you will see all drugs automatically entering in this. And then you just have to select a supplier, set the invoice number, and yes, obviously the purchase date. And you will see you can set total discount and amount of the bill also. It will be automatically shown here, but in case you haven't paid all amount of the bill, you can just change that amount here. One more important feature here is when you add a drug, or if that is imported from a picture or a PDF, or even if you import a CSV, this is the most efficient one and has the 100% accuracy. In scanning, you can have 99%, 97% accuracy, because sometimes our software cannot read all the things correctly if the purchase bill is not clear. But if it is a PDF which is computer generated, in that case we guarantee 99% accuracy. So what I want to say is, once you enter a drug here, let me enter a drug. If I enter a drug, say amoxicillin, if I have already purchased it, like I have purchased this before too, you will see here you will get to see a banner, okay, in which clicking on this, you will see all the existing purchase of this medicine and what rates and what margins were in that purchases, and you will get to know, are you making a good purchase this time or a bad purchase. Good purchase means you are getting more margin or at a better price. Bad purchase means you are in this time you will have less margin, or maybe this time you are purchasing the medicine at a higher cost. So moving to the most important feature of MediFlux, that's MediFlux Lens. What does that mean? Just clicking Ctrl K, you will see a search bar here. From this, you will be able to navigate through the application from any page, no matter in what page you are. This is the home page. If you are in the customer list, if you are in the drug list, from anywhere you can access anything. Say I'm here in customer list, yeah, or I'm here in the supplier list. Okay, if you want to see like if you have any medicine available in your inventory, you can just press Ctrl K, D and colon, then you can search for medicines directly from here. It will show you what do you have this drug in your inventory or not, and it will also show the number 7 of 1123. This 1123 is badge from which distributor. Okay, in if I do it like just give me a second. If I do it paracetamol, PARA, okay, just I have paracetamol 111 medicine here whose MRP is 100. I have 3 left of ZXC badge which I have purchased from health store. Apart from drugs, you can get to know customers directly from here. CS is do you have a customer that has MOUZ in his name? Yes. You can also search from phone number. Similarly, you can search for suppliers, you can search in supplier ledgers, you can search in customer ledgers. Okay, say for example you are in a sale. Okay, I will show you some use cases of this. For example, you are making a sale. Okay, and you have to, some customer came to you and he you have to purchase him. If he asks for a credit, if you want to see his existing balance in usual cases and in all other softwares, what you will do is you will just navigate back, go to ledger and check his ledger. But in MediFlux you can do it directly from here. Say Mosin has come for a sale and he's asking for credit. I can press Ctrl K, customer ledger, MOUZ. It will show me the customers that has this in name and what balance he has. So this customer have all paid. Let me check for some other users if they have any pending. This too has paid. Say if somebody has some outstanding, you will get to see right here, and you don't have to manually go back to ledger and see it there. Moving ahead, you can have restocks here or what we call reorders. Say for example, some drugs are out of stock now. Okay, going to drug list, if you will click on this out of stock tab, you will get to see all out of stock medicines. Okay, now if you want to restock some of them, you will just select them. Say for example, I want to restock Dolo, I want to restock Mecvin. If you wonder why these are disappearing, these are not disappearing, these are just moving to the top. Okay, if I want to restock Augmentin, once I select the medicines that I want to restock, just click the restock here, select the supplier from which you are gonna purchase these medicines. Say for example, I select this AR. Okay, submit restock order. Okay, if this AR is using MediFlux, he will get this order right there in their dashboard, and you don't have to you can just manually tell them I have submitted a reorder, kindly look into that. And if he is not using MediFlux, no worries, you can simply tell them about the reorder and share the reorder with them. If you will go to purchases and restocks, you will get to see it right here. Okay, AR, this is pending. Okay, you can just view the invoice and download it and send it to the distributor, and he will get to know what medicines you have to restock. And once this order completes, he sends the medicines. You don't have to manually go to add purchase and add it that time. You can just receive stock here. If you will click on receive stock, you will be redirected to add purchase, and these all medicines will be automatically filled with the supplier. You just have to enter invoice number and the date, and all other features that I talked about before, like this price comparison with previous purchases. Those all features will be here also. Okay, moving to the next feature, that's prescriptions. This is very crucial feature. Say for example, you have in your pharmacy doctor's visit, and they check patients there. You can just add the user, like I told before, in settings, go to user management and create a user with doctor role. The email and password you will set here, they can log in the same way you log in. Okay, then if when they will log in, they can directly add prescriptions from there. Once they add prescriptions, you will get to see them here in prescriptions. You will, if customer comes to you, I have I had a checkup with the doctor and he have prescribed me some medicines. He might be having it in hand, but you can just search it here also. If you will select the customer, you will get to see the prescriptions, the prescription the doctor has prescribed him. Right now, this customer does not have any prescription, so it's not showing anything here. But once it has a prescription, it will show here, and you can add the prescription as sale, and it will automatically and autofill here, and you just have to create. Or if you don't have any medicine, you can just remove them. Or if they want to purchase some other medicines that are not in uh, the prescription, you can add them here and then just create the sale. This also reduces a lot of manual entry and errors. Going to next feature, it's the catalog sharing. It's mainly for suppliers. What this feature is about, it's about again reducing manual entry. What you have to do is you just have to go to drugs and catalog share. Here you will just set a time period after which the link will expire. What this link would be, in this link, the with whom you will share the link, he will have he will get to see all the medicines you have in your inventory, and he can purchase, he can just directly place order from there. If this is the use case for your retailers. Obviously this is for a supplier, and right now I am talking to a supplier, for example, and you would obviously be having retailers. The retailer you would be sharing this link with, they can directly send you an order, and you will get to see the orders right here in the sales. Okay, reorders and here orders, you will get to see them here, and you can directly add a purchase of that, whether you will either accept it or reject it. Once you will accept it, you can just send them the order. If he's a MediFlux user, okay, he can just directly say, for example, he can just go to the same way you added a restock in the drug list, sorry, reorder, you will get to see right in the dashboard. Okay, say for example, I am a retailer and you are my supplier. Okay, this is a dashboard of a retailer who is using MediFlux, and you are supplier of this retailer. Once you will add reorder here, you will get to see it in your purchases in orders. Okay, directly. Okay, he does, you don't have to manually share the catalog link with them. Catalog sharing is for your retailers who are not MediFlux users. So we have solved this for both, whether your retailer is a MediFlux user or not a MediFlux user. Once you will just set a time period, you have the option, if you want them to show, if you want to show them the MRP of medicines or not, you can just toggle it on or off. If off, they won't be able to see the MRP. If toggled on, they would be able to see the MRP. And once you will generate link, it will be added here. Okay, catalog link has been generated. Okay, it will be visible here. You can just copy it and send it through WhatsApp or SMS, whatever way you would like. And when they will just visit to this link, I will just copy this link and open in a tab. When you share the link, your retailer will go to this link. He will be able to see this dashboard. Here he will see from which store it is. Okay, your phone number, contact details, and he will get to see all the products you have in the inventory, and he can order directly from here. Say for example, I am a retailer and I want to order something. I will order 5, or let us say 10 of them. Okay, and 5 of them I will just add. I will just add this to. I will just proceed. I will just enter my details here. Okay, just and simply just place the order. Okay, once I place the order, you will see it in your dashboard in the orders. Let's go to sales. Okay, to sales and reorders. Go to orders. See, it's here. It's here. If you want to accept it, you can just add sale. If you want to reject it, it will get rejected. If you are interested in this and you want to send them this order, this nose XL and Nepradi, just add sale and it will directly autofill this sale form, and you just have to recheck it, just adjust to the rate. You will sell these medicines to them, select the customer, and just add this. Okay, moving to the next feature, it's bulk update. This is also very crucial feature. You will go to drug list. Say you have moved some medicines to some other rack. Okay, here is a rack number. You have moved this and this medicine to some other rack. Okay. in uh, other scenarios, usual base, you will just have to click these three dots, edit all the drugs manually. But in bulk edit, you will just select all the medicines, update, and just select the batch, or sorry, not batch number here, rack number. Okay, or if many medicines have you have to adjust the stock of multiple medicines at the same time, you can just add that here. Okay, or you have to adjust the rate, change the GST rates. If by mistake you entered wrong GST rates from the purchase and you want to update it, you can just go here and update, and just update these rates. Click this update drugs here. These all drugs will update once. Okay, moving ahead. In drugs, you will get to see filters, and this is very important. You can just sort medicines by name in ascending or descending order. You can sort them by stock, you can sort them by expiry, you can sort them by date. You have added them in your inventory. You can see all types of medicines. If you want to see only NRX, yeah, that's scheduled drugs, you can just click on this and then apply. You will get to see only scheduled drugs. If you want to see only out of stock medicine, you can, in simple terms, you can apply multiple filters at the same time and apply them. You will get to see only those medicines. If you want to see medicines that are expiring in 3 months, just click 3 months here, apply. If you want to see medicines that are going to expire in next 6 months, here you can also set custom expiry. The medicines that are going to expire from this date to this date, they will match here, and you'll get to see only those medicines. If you want to see medicines of a particular supplier or suppliers, you can just click here and select the suppliers, either one or more. Then when you apply filter, you will get to see only those here. Okay, this is very important because sometimes you have to search in your drug list, in your drug database. This plays a vital role in that. Okay, let me reset it for now. One more very important feature, that's in-app transactions. And it's not money transactions. It's inventory transactions. If you and both your retailer, or if you are a retailer and and your distributor are using the MediFlux, you will be able to do in-app inventory transactions. That's if let's talk about both scenarios. If you are a retailer and you want some medicines to be reordered that I have already discussed, you will just select those medicines, just reorder them. Your distributor will get to see in their dashboard, and once they approve it, they will add it to their sale. You will get to see in purchase orders. Okay, and you can just directly accept the order first and then sync it to the inventory, and your inventory will be automatically updated. Okay, this reduces a lot of manual entry and errors. But if you are a supplier, okay, and you want to send some inventory, you want to send an order to your retailer, if he too is using MediFlux, you can directly add sale here. Okay, add sale here. The sale you will enter, the retailer will get to see in their purchase orders. The same way it was for a retailer, it will be for you and your retailer. Okay, it's both ways, retailer to supplier and supplier to retailer. So in-app transactions, we call them in-app transactions. This reduces a lot of manual entry and errors. Okay, I think that's everything about our very unique and important features. everything else that should be in a pharmacy management system, everything is here. Like credit notes. Okay, you can just create credit notes. You can create debit notes, convert them into credit notes, or just cancel them if you are a retailer. If yes, this too has a in-app transactions. If you are a supplier, or say you are a supplier and your retailer added a credit note. Okay, uh, yeah, or he will create a debit note, not a credit note. You will be the one accepting their debit note, then their debit note will convert into a credit note. Okay, you are a supplier and your retailer added a credit note for the medicines. They have purchased it from you. You will get to see in your dashboard directly. You can just accept that credit debit note or reject it. If you accept that debit note, they will get to see in their dashboard that you have accepted their debit note, and they can convert it to their credit note. Similar for the ledger thing. Okay, if you will update your ledger for a retailer that is a MediFlux user. Okay, and his ledger will update. Okay, if your retailer updates his ledger, you will get to know about it. Okay. Yes, and other features like customer ledgers. You can just store requests. These all in-app transactions that I mentioned about are between MediFlux to MediFlux. If both are MediFlux users, okay. One very important thing that I missed here is how to connect the stores. Okay, that is store that is in the store requests. Okay, and only retailer can initiate this transaction. If you are a retailer, you just have to go to the supplier list. Okay, and here you will click on the link supplier. Once you will enter any detail, supplier name or his email or his license number, you will get to see it here, and you can click on link supplier. Your supplier will get to see the request in store requests. Okay, it is in the customers. He will get to see in the store requests. If he accepts, okay, your the link has been created. If he rejects, so the link is not created. And obviously it's for the supplier too. If you are a supplier and your retailer added added try to link you, you will get to see in your dashboard and you can just accept it. Okay, so that's all for the very important and vital features of MediFlux. But it's not limited to this. You will get to see a lot more things in MediFlux once you explore. We'll meet in some next video where I will be explaining some more features. We'll guide you through some other processes in MediFlux that will make your life easier. Thank you.